Hello guys, and welcome back to another episode on Financially Fluent. In today's video, we are going to discuss about 6 simple money principles to live by. Now that you have learned so much about budgeting, you have learned about savings and investments, what are some of the 6 simple money principles that you can start using them today and applying them to your life so that you continue this pattern of growth that you are experiencing? So make sure you stick with me up to the end, because you never know when your point will get to you. Could be point 1, it could be point 4 or point 6. Okay, let's get started. The first point is be humble when things go right and forgiving when things go wrong. So there are times things will be okay. There are times you will stick to your budget. There are times you will save and invest. And there are other times that things will not work out the way you want them to work out. There are times you will not follow your budget. There are times that your emergency fund may not be enough to cater for that need that has just come up and you need a huge chunk of money. So be humble when things are going right and forgiving when things are not. Remember, you always have an option of getting back up no matter the situation or the circumstance and going on, continuing with the journey. The second point, save even without a purpose, so that when life happens, you will always have options. This is life, and life happens. There are times we are up, there are times we are down. So what guarantees you having multiple choices or options when life becomes life is by you saving. And that includes having an emergency fund, saving for the short term, and also saving for the long term. Point number 3, choose a strategy that works for you and gives you peace of mind when you sleep. There are so many strategies out here. There are so many strategies over the internet. I personally give you strategies. Another person will come with a different strategy. Remember that the wealth building journey is personal to you. So pick a strategy that works for you and that gives you peace when you sleep. Point number 4, time is your greatest weapon. So deploy it effectively. That means if you have not started saving and investing, they always say the best time to plant a tree was yesterday, and the next best time is today. So if you have not started on your savings and investment journey, today is the day to start. Remember, there is no huge amount of money to save or little amount of money to save. Start with that which you have and then work your progress slowly but surely towards the finish line. Okay? Point number 5, and something very important to note, is that half of the times, most of your strategies will fail. Do not lose hope. Just ensure that at least 2 or 3 of your strategies give you a huge win. If you are trading on the stock exchange and you keep on looking at how your stocks are performing, you will realize, because of market information, because of how the environment is, most of the times your stocks are usually going down. It's on very rare occasions that your stocks are going up. And when they decide to go up, they go up by a higher margin than how they were going low. The last point, and very important, is use your money to buy back your freedom and time. That mostly speaks about delegation. You do not have to do everything by yourself. Get help and then tackle the items or the things that you know are going to add to the bucket. Okay, so that is it for today's video, guys. I hope you have picked a thing or two. Until the next time, have a blessed day. See you then. Bye bye.